Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ahrefs Keyword Generator for high-intent queries step-by-step clearly. To configure Ahrefs Keyword Generator for high-intent queries, start by accessing the Ahrefs website. Log into your Ahrefs account. Once logged in, navigate to the Keyword Explorer tool. In the search bar, enter a broad topic related to your niche. Next, select the search engine you want to focus on. Click the search button to generate keyword suggestions. Once the results appear, look for the filter options on the left side. Apply filters to narrow down the results, focusing on search volume and keyword difficulty. Check the box for high-intent keywords, which typically include commercial or transactional terms. Examine the list of suggested keywords and identify those most relevant to your content. Take note of the keywords that have a balance of high search volume and manageable competition. Use the Matching Terms feature to discover more related keywords. Review the top ranking pages for selected keywords to gain insights into user intent. Consider the click-through rate, CTR, metrics to gauge the effectiveness of each keyword. Save your top keywords to a project or export them for further analysis. Repeat the process for different topics to build a comprehensive keyword list. Regularly revisit your keyword strategies to keep up with changing trends and search behaviors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.